I am SS Kalaiselvi of ECE department. I am going to present a case study on the topic of tie-set schedules in circuit analysis. Tie-set matrix for a given tree of a graph, addition of each link between any two nodes forms a loop called the fundamental loop. In a loop, there exists a closed path and a circulating current which is called the link current. The current in any branch of a graph can be found by using link currents. The fundamental loop formed by one link has a unique path in the tree joining the two nodes of the link. This loop is also called F loop or a tie set. The figure 2.16. Consider a connected graph shown in the figure 2.16. It has 4 nodes and 6 branches. One of its trees is arbitrarily chosen and is shown in the figure 2.16b. The twigs of this tree are branches and the links corresponding to this tree are branches 1, 2 and 3. Every link defines a fundamental loop of the network. Tie-set matrix. Kirchhoff's voltage law can be applied to the F loops to get a set of linearly independent equations. Consider figure 2.17. There are 3 fundamental loops I1, I2 and I3 corresponding to the link branches 1, 2 and 3 respectively. If V1, V2, etc. V6 are the branch voltages, the KVL equations for the 3 F loops can be written as V1 plus V5 minus V6 equal to 0, V2 plus V4 minus V5 equal to 0, V3 minus V4 equal to 0. In order to apply KVL to each fundamental loop, we can take the reference direction of the loop which coincides with the reference direction of the link defining the loop. The above equation can be written in matrix form as loop branches I1, I2, I3 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, minus 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, minus 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, minus 1, 0, 0. It is 3 into 6 into 6. V1, V2, V3, V4, V5, V6 equal to 0, 0, 0. Where B is an I cross B matrix called the tie-set matrix or fundamental loop matrix and VB is a column vector of branch voltages. Tie-set matrix and branch currents. It is possible to express branch currents as a linear combination of link current using matrix B. If IB and II represents the branch current matrix and loop current matrix respectively and B is the tie-set matrix, then where B power T is the transpose of the matrix B, equation 6 is known as link current transformation equation. Consider the tie-set matrix of figure 2.17. B is equal to 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, minus 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, minus 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, minus 1, 0, 0. B transpose equal to 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, minus 1, 1, minus 1, 0, minus 1, 0, 0. The branch current vector IB is a column vector. IB equal to I1, I2, I3, I4, I5, I6. The loop current vector IL is a column vector. IL equal to capital I1, capital I2, capital I3. Therefore, the link current transformation equation is given by IB equal to B transpose IL and the branch currents are I1 is equal to capital I1, I2 is equal to capital I2, I3 is equal to capital I3, I4 is equal to capital I2 minus capital I3, I5 is equal to capital I1 minus capital I2, I6 equal to minus capital I1. Thank you.